for the mixed choir up here is called Je le voudrais. It's written in French, and it was written like 500 years ago, but it's all about gossiping, about some people that are gossiping about other people, and we want to see if you can get the feel of the song, even though we're singing in French. By the way, a cappella and 4-part harmony too, so that's a lot to do.